Hi and welcome to Python Challenges. So today I want you to, create a window. So we're going to deal with UI or user interface, and you have to try and create a window. So to do that, you need to create a new file. Now if you know how to do all this, go for it. But if not, let's do it together. And you need to use the thing. Now, there's a thing called tkinter or tkinter, however you want to pronounce it, I don't know. And you have to import that. So tkinter, or yeah. And make sure you use smaller t if you're using idle version 3.7. And you don't have to install this. It's included with versions from versions 2.7.16 and up. It's included. And more bugs are, gotten rid of in the later versions. All right, so let's create our window. So I'm going to call it window. And to get access to it, we do tkinter, or I don't know, I'll have to look that up, how to pronounce it. You can tell me. All right, and we're just going to do that. And then you do, let's just try that first, see what that does. And save it, put it on a desktop. My window runs, and there you go, that's it. All right, so that's one of the challenge. Let's add another challenge. Let's say, I want you to change, see it says TK for the title. Let's change, you have to change the title. Okay, try and do that. So I'm going to write that into our notes. Change the title of the window. All right, so that's our second challenge. Change the title of the window. Good luck. All right, here we go. So where's the other file? Here it is. This is pretty simple to do. Window title equals, actually, I think you do it in the rounded brackets. And then, oops, let's get that ready. I don't know why that's open. All right, so, and then you put your title in here. Okay, so we'll go call it my window. All right, let's run that. So that's just under the run in the menu, and there we go, my window. All right, let's add another challenge. Here we go. Add a label. All right, let's add a label to the view. All right, so now, what are you going to call your label? So let's assign it to label. And then we'll use tkinter. All right, and then we're going to go, oh yeah, dot, and then inside that is a label. And we're going to use the window that we're currently in and set its text. So text equals my label. And then you have to arrange it, layout. So, but just use this for now, pack. All right. Let's see what that does, run that. See if we get an error or something. It seems to be running. And there we go, my label. All right, another thing you want to do to close off the window is you do this. Window dot main loop. All right, and that's, you encapsulate all this inside here. So let's run that. And there we go. So there we go, that's the challenge. It's a very simple UI. I hope you got all three. If not, don't worry, but just remember that one thing, that when you import tkinter, it's or tkinter, is you make sure that this does not have a capital letter. All right, and you can even do some other things I saw where you can shorten this. So you'd go like TK equals Tkinter maybe, and then you just call it as TK from there. I'll try it. Yeah, that worked. So that's one way to shorten having to type Tkinter all the time. You shorten it into TK. All right. And we are done. See you later.